Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the starter relay and starter fuse are on this 2010 Chevy 2500HD with the gas 4Tech engine. If this video is helpful, smash the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, it really helps out a lot. So go in there and pop your hood. Right over here is your fuse block. Already took the top off for the sake of time. This relay right here is your starter relay, and this fuse right here above it is the starter fuse. So you've got starter relay and starter fuse. So if this video is helpful, can you just smash that thumbs up button for me? Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps out a lot. Thank you for watching and have a good one.